Hello! So it is the 4th of January 2020. I went on a trip to LA during my New Year's, and during that time apparently I received my Secret Santa, my International Secret Santa. The person who sent it did contact me and let me know that it was on its way, but they weren't sure when it was going to arrive, so I finally got it. And when I did receive it, it was it is a heavy package, like very unexpected. Apparently it was stopped at customs, which is why it took a little longer than anticipated. I've not had any packages go through customs just yet, so this is pretty exciting. The person is from the Netherlands, so hopefully we will see what cool things they got in here. Listed on the outside of the package, it says that the items inside are a book and candy/snacks. So we're gonna find out what those are. And hopefully nothing's too terribly damaged. There's some got smashed where they slammed the safety thing on. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So scissors and this side, and I don't even know where to begin. So get that open. Alright. Okay, so there's that. And then so it's in a Nike box, and it got a little smacked on the way in. So let's go ahead and figure out how to get inside of here, because it is completely taped all around. Let's see. There we go. Nope. Nope. Oh, I'm going to survive it. So that. Alright. Whoa. Alright. So, here we have a card. And let's see what the card says first. I see a lot of goodies going on here, so I'm pretty excited about that. Alright. So, we have... Oh, that's pretty. Prestige Kerstdagen? That is clearly... this is very clearly not English. It smells like spices. That's really different. But it's very pretty. And then let's see, opening it on the inside. And Prestige Kerstdagen in Gelukkig Nieuwsjaar. So I'm assuming it's saying Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, is what I can assume. It says, Dear Lynn, that's me, I heard you like snacks. Well, here's a selection of different Dutch treats. Merry Christmas. From Chris and Zoe. Thank you, Chris and Zoe. I really appreciate that. The person who sent this to me, their Imgur name is like La, like it's got like multiple A's in it, so it's hard to really like pronounce, which is why I haven't mentioned it yet. So yeah, but all right, let's dig into this then. So the first thing I see is something I'm super excited for, and they are stroopwafels. And I have actually had stroopwafels before. However, I'm excited to have one from a separate country. I'm not sure if you could focus in on that well, but you're apparently supposed to put them on top of your coffee cup while it's hot, and it like melts the caramel inside. So I'm really looking forward to these. So thank you. So we'll put that aside. And then I see Huizer Jeddah Cook Original. 20 stooks! These look like some sort of butter cookie. I am excited. The last time I got something from Europe, they sent chocolates in a similar can. So I think whenever something's round, Europeans really like to make the canister the exact same shape and size of the item inside. So excited to try these. Possibly even with the Stroop waffles with the same drink. The next thing I see is a chocolate item of sorts. Very interesting. It's Kreidnut Rotstis milk chocolate. So that is very, very clearly chocolate, and I think they're chocolate, or sorry, not chocolate, cookie bits surrounded in chocolate. That's the picture on the back. I mean, I'm sure it's on the front too right there. But those look like cookie bits, so that's exciting to try. And then, ooh, this is a little scary. Jubies. Jubies remind me, they immediately make me think of Jujubes, which I imagine is what Jujubes came from. Room 135 jaar pas verdrop. Yes, so this is probably a classic version of Jujubes, and that's a little terrifying because it looks like licorice. I'm not the biggest fan of licorice, but I'm always willing to try. Oh, one's best recipe. So it's their original or best recipe for that. So that looks pretty good. Yep. First thing on the back, licorice. So this is traditional classic licorice. And I wonder if it tastes any different than the American licorice. It's actually going to be pretty interesting. My boyfriend is in love with licorice. Like, he loves black licorice, so he might enjoy trying this with me. Then I see, oh, this looks amazing. So this is a chocolate bar. Chocolate de Preterip. Tony's chocolate bar. And it looks like it's like a peppermint chocolate bar. And I am absolutely in love with how it's packaged. This is so Willy Wonka. Like, this is so cool. Crazy about chocolate, serious about people is the tagline on the back. And I'm sure that means peppermint, but peppernoot is really funny to say, so I'm super excited for this. This one I was holding off just a little bit, just because it is so related to my name. So on Imgur, I am Panda Anomaly, if you can tell just looking underneath the title, but it's a little panda. Every single year I've gotten something, I've always gotten something panda related, because in my description I always say I like pandas. Panda Anomaly. I'm a unique rare panda, so I'm happy with that one, so thank you. So it's gonna go there, and then finally, those are all the snacks, and now the book. So I see a Dutch person on the top, and it says Dutch Delights, Typical Dutch Food, which is very, oh my gosh. Oh, they bookmarked all of the ones that they've done. Oh, and all their comments. Oh, this is my favorite thing. This is my favorite thing. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Yeah, it says this is where the chocolate comes from. Oh man, this is so cool. Oh, I'm so excited to try this. I'm so happy to see all the little notes on all the little recipes that they've written. And I thank you so much for getting it in English, although I'm sure that was obvious to do. But this is my absolute favorite thing in the box. I'm so happy. Like, oh, look at all the notes that they put in there. Like, I'm so impressed. Like, I'm so happy that they would say, like, oh, this is a traditional thing. This is so cool. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. Alright, so that empties the box. So let's see what Chris and Zoe got for me here. We've got the panda. Thank you. We've got the awesome Willy Wonka-esque chocolate bar that is like super neat and like colorful and everything like that. And then we have the chocolate cookie bit thingamabuggers is what I can imagine. And then we have the Jetta Cook cookies, which are awesome. And then we have the, of course, traditional famous stroopwafels, which are very common and really awesome. We have the jujube licorice, which I'm sure is going to be really fun to taste. And then we have my favorite thing in the box, which is this recipe book with personal notes on the recipes in general. So thank you so much, Chris and Zoe from Netherlands. This is an awesome little care package from your country. Like, every year I always say I love a slice of life, I love regional snacks. Even if you make a post about like going around about your day and taking pictures and stuff, would be really, really cool. Like, I love anything that has to do with other countries. That's why I always like to do international. I always want to see what other people eat and what they try, and whenever I send gifts, I always try to send something uniquely from San Francisco. I know it's kind of hard with how much globalization we've done, because you can get those things pretty much at any time, but to get something personally curated towards you because of the things you like is always really fun. So thank you so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little video and whatnot. For those of you who are keen, by the way, my slippers are from my last year's Secret Santa, so I definitely use and try everything in the box. So thank you so much for participating. You know, shout out to Imgur and Sarah and Martin Mage for putting together Secret Santa every year. I absolutely love it. And yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. I'm sorry this video is coming out a little late. I just got back from LA, so you know, I'm trying to get everything done. But yeah, until next year, I will definitely see you then.